Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to take a look further at what I got and what my purpose is for buying it, and just diving further into these products that you see here. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of explain myself a little bit further on these products and my intentions. So on, I think, launch, yeah, these came with my launch order. I decided to pick up a pack of the classic lined note pages for the A5 agenda, as well as the daily duo for July, August, and September of this year in mid-century circles. Of course, I love mid-century circles. And then I didn't pick this up. This actually came from, I think, either the winter or the spring seasonal surprise box. Honestly, it might have even been last spring, but this is a weekly notepad. And the reason I pulled this out is because I feel like this might go really well with the daily duo, just because you could have like a weekly kind of action list and focus pad. So I don't know, just a thought, just bringing some things in, but I do want to dive into these before going through what I got to hold them. So I just need to open these up. Okay, and I already got like nail polish marks on them from the red nail polish. But yeah, so this is just some notebook paper, but of course in the amazing Erin Condren paper quality. So glad I picked those up. I was going to grab the budget, but I love using my monthly and my 7x9 life planner for my budget, and I honestly have the petite planner budget book, but I don't even use it, so I wasn't even going to bother. Okay, so I think I'm going to actually, before we go through the pages, like dive into this. That way we can just stick them right in. So I purchased this from Amazon. It was $10, so super cheap. And the reason I like this more than the Erin Condren one is, well, A, because of the price. I don't even know if I'm going to stick with this system or not. I just wanted to try it out, and I feel like this is a really great way to do that. So if you're like me and you just don't know if you are going to like A, rings, or B, the daily duo, this is a super inexpensive way to try those out. These did not come with this binder. I just stuck these in here. I purchased these separate off of Amazon, and they are some top loading dividers, and they're clear, so I really liked that aspect as well. And there are 5 of them here. They came with these script like title headers for these in black, gold, and rose gold, which is really nice. So I'm trying to like, oh, I don't know if this is like really in there, so don't want to like break the mechanism. Perfect. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't come off. Okay, so I love the pockets in here too. I am not a big fan of how Erin Condren does their pockets. I really wish they would just do something simple like this. Like even in the, because I think their A5 agenda is the same sort of layout as their folios are. And I'm not a fan of that. But let's stick these in here. Those are super hard to open. So here's September. Here's August. And here is July. I'm not going to put any note pages in quite yet just because I really want to try this out first. I'm going to slide these in there. Okay, so those fit in there very nice. You can add, like, I feel like a few note pages, nothing like crazy. I don't believe I could fit the whole stack, but that is completely fine. We'll just add them as we need them. This, I was thinking when I purchased it to like slide it down, but it's not gonna fit there. But honestly, you could just like keep it right here and that would be totally fine too. Okay, so let's go through this. So those are my dividers, and then here is like the intro page. There is, so it goes straight into it. There's none of like the extra yearly things that they include, which is completely fine. So here's the July monthly, and I actually am surprised at how much I love this. So I have not ever seen like an A5 monthly view from the Erin Condren, but I actually really like this. So there's the monthly. Here's the little dashboard. I love this. Okay, I'm just kind of excited just because of size. I have not yet seen one again, like I said. But here's the daily duo. So I have been like really wanting to try this layout out for a while, and I'm super excited to jump into this. This does not start till July, so that is when I will switch over. If I do, I'm still wanting to, I'm considering it. Let's just put it that way. So this would replace my, what is it? Petite planner. Let's see. And I don't know if I need a full day for each, or a full page for each day. But this is not the new layout where it is included with that lined page. I would have purchased that one had they sold them separately, but you needed to buy the full year and the inserts, and I was not going to commit to a full year. So yeah, so this is super nice, just gives you that way to try it out, and I'm so excited to dive into this and just play around with the layout. And you have this line page at the end, so, and you move into August. So yeah, this is something I am very excited about and cannot wait to jump in. Oh, and we do have, okay, let's see. So it goes from the last day of August, and then you do have some stickers here. So I didn't see that. I'm going to take those out. In one of the like Facebook groups I'm in, they taped this sheet down onto like a full sticker sheet, and they ran it through their printer and like put color to these. So I'm going to play around with that. So yeah, that is the meat and potatoes of the planner. Now, what I was considering for these, I was going to put one at the front, and I was going to label it inbox. So let's do that. We can just set a few things up while we're here. So they have a little script that says inbox. And I don't know if you've seen like from Cloth and Paper, those really cute like inbox pages. I thought this would be cute to just stick some sticky notes to like jot down quick notes or anything like that. And then you don't have to like ruin a paper, like a piece of paper or anything. So that is my idea for that. And then I'm going to label one of them today, and that is going to be my little tracker for taking me right to the page. So let me find right here. Seeing this like in person is making it all real, and I'm super excited to switch up. Honestly, I wasn't sure I was going to switch my layout because I do like staying consistent with one planner for the whole year, but my daily, I don't really have that issue because of the simple fact that, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting bored with the petite. I mean, I love my petite, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I'm not committed to staying in one daily planner. I feel like I could play around and just try out different things and be okay with it. So that is why I gave myself permission to try this out, and especially because it is so cheap. Like, it is not, okay, it's not like so cheap. I think like with this being 10, this was 15 for just the daily duo pages, but I did have a coupon, so it was cheaper. These were $10 for the lined pages, and again, I had that coupon. I had multiple coupons, like stacks, so I don't know. I didn't see it being like a super big budget hit in any sort of way, so I'm just excited to switch things up in July. So in June, I will be doing like a setup, more of like a setup video where you can really see how I'm going to use this. I just wanted to do this video to show you guys me putting these together, tell you kind of where my headspace was at. That way I can play around with it a bit before my next video and buy more things for it. So I do want to buy more of the little like planner clips so you can decorate these pages. But yeah, I love how this is feeling. Like, I feel like it's definitely worth the $10 I spent. These are kind of big, but let me... Okay, so I grabbed a few things. Here are these super cute little munchkin sticky notes that I felt like would fit there. But even if not, I don't know. Yeah, those are going to be way too wide, but these little this week's priorities, which I could put like on the today page. And again, just another like little form of taking things from my weekly planner and keeping it in here. I'm really excited to try out rings. I feel like I was excited when they came out with, I'm just grabbing like some pockets to try out because I feel like I could stick one up here on the inbox. Those stick so well. But I was super excited when they came out with the agenda, and then I don't know, I just stuck with what I knew and I didn't get one. I honestly don't even think I need these, but I do have this, and I felt like this might be cool to put there. I just don't know if I want it on my inbox. I don't want it on my today. Maybe on notes, like back here. I can like stick things in there. I don't know. I'm gonna hold off on this. I think I might just like keep it in here just so I keep it together in case I want to use it. But yeah, so I was super excited when they first came out with the agenda, but then I was kind of turned off due to like the floppy nature of the agenda that everyone said. Like, it was super floppy, but this is sturdy. I love this blue color. And yeah, it's magnetic closure. I will leave it linked down below in case you want to check it out for yourself. And I'll also leave a link to the what are these, like the inserts that I purchased, as well as these folder things, or little, what are these, dashboards. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. But yeah, so this is all I have for you guys today. I don't really, again, I'm not setting anything up. I do want to put my name down though, because that will be fun. And I don't know, who knows, maybe I will get on like a daily duo kick and I'll love the agenda and I will purchase the full year for next year, and then I'll have those beginning pages because I kind of am missing like the 12 boxes, the year overview. I don't know. I love these custom name scripts from, oh, I just ripped it. I knew I was going to. I ripped it in both places. So these are super touchy, but these are from According to Allie, and they're really cute. They're just they're on super thin paper. So let me focus and try and put these down really quick. I'm gonna, okay. Perfect. So there is my name. That looks so cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. I just kind of wanted to unwrap everything, tell you guys where I'm at, and just explain when I'm going to be using this, because I know I showed like the inserts and this like folder kind of quickly and briefly in my haul video, and I told you guys I was coming with another video. Another quick side note, this thing has 2 pen holders, which is super nice. So there's one here and one here, which I don't know why you need 2, but hey. This one I probably won't use because it does like butt up against there, but this one I will definitely use on the side. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.